Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be talking about application states in ASP.NET. In the previous two videos, I had shown you how you can implement view state and session state in your ASP.NET project. And this video is the continuation of the previous two videos. So if you did not watch the previous two videos, then I highly recommend you to go back and watch the two videos and then continue with this one. The link to the previous two videos will be given in the description, so you can feel free to check out the description and follow the previous two videos. And if you have already watched the previous two videos, then let's get started with this one. We have seen how we can create session state variables. Session state variables can be created by using the session keyword, and view state variables can be created by using the view state variable. Now for application state also we have the same methodology, but before going on with that, let me just explain you what is an application state and where is this application state stored. Application state is a data repository which is available to all classes in ASP.NET application. Application state is stored in memory on the server, and it is faster than storing and retrieving information from a database. When we compare session state and application state, the session state is specific to a single user session, whereas application state applies to all users and sessions. Therefore, an application state is a useful place to store small amounts of data which is used oftenly, and the data which does not change from one user to another. Now that we have some basic idea about application states, let us move on and implement application state in our project. So to implement application state in our project, we need to create application state variables. And we can create application state variable by using the keyword application. And then you need to add square brackets, and within the square brackets in double quotes, you need to pass the key value which you will use to access the application state variable. Okay, so let us write application, and then I'm gonna access the username with the key value of uname. Now we need to store the value of text which is present in the username text box. So I'll write username underscore text box, then add a dot, and then I'll write dot text. Don't forget to add a semicolon. Then on the next line, I will simply copy and paste the same statement and change the uname to password and the username underscore text box to password underscore text box dot text. Rest all will remain the same. Now we are done with this page, and we'll move on to the code behind file of web form 2. Now since we are accessing application state variables in the same way as we had accessed session state variables, I will simply replace the word session with the word application. And we are pretty much done with the coding aspect of application states. Let us go back to the web form 1 page, right click and click on view in browser. Now once this application is running in my web browser, I will copy its URL and paste it in another new window so that I have the same application running on two different windows. We are doing this just to see how application states work and how it is different from session states. So let us enter a username and password in the first window. I'm entering the username and password as Rishabh and 123456. And let us go to the next page. But on the next page, we cannot see the username. And that is because I am accessing the username with a wrong key in my application state. So let us go back and fix the error. If you remember, I had named the application state variable as uname. So I'll simply write application state and replace username with uname. Now go to the web form 1 page and right click and click on view in browser. Now you need to copy and paste the link on two different windows, and then start entering the details. So I'm entering the username as Rishabh and password as 123456. Click on go to next page. Now we can see the username and password on this page. Now we will enter some different information in the other page. So let us enter a different username and password on the other window. I am entering the username as MacBook Pro and password as Apple 2020. Click on go to next page. In the second window, you won't see any significant change. It will be the same, but when you refresh the browser in the first window, you will see that the credentials have changed from Rishabh Panesar to MacBook Pro and password is changed from 123456 to Apple 2020. So we have seen how application states changes the data for all users irrespective of the user and the session. So that's it for this video guys, and I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, then do like this video. If this video helped you at all, then also please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And if you're interested in learning Python, then you can check out my channel because I create videos related to Python also. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.